Today, I'm going to share a tutorial, how to turn your photo into a silhouette like this. The first step, we will remove the background on the photo we want to edit. First, I'm going to erase part of the sky, so there are only buildings. Click Draw, then on a layer, change it to X color. Use the Shape tool to make it look straight. When finished, save the image in PNG format. The next step, click the transparent background and add a photo. When finished, save the image in PNG format. Select the canvas, and set it like this. Add the first photo that we have saved. For the sky, I use a photo like this. Click the photo of the building and select Adjust. Then set like this, to to make the photo a bit dark. Then click Effects, select Colors, and click Colorize. Adjust the hue, so that the color in the photo of the building looks similar to the photo of the sky. Then click Eraser, and Invert. On the Restore menu, set the smoothness like this. Click Effect again, and select Brightness. Change it to Multiply, and set it to 95. Click Eraser, then Invert, and Restore. Do like before. Draw slowly on the bottom, to add a dark effect to the photo. Then, add a second photo. Adjust this photo to match the first photo. In this photo, I will make it darker than the first photo. Go to Adjust. Then set like this. Then click Effects, and select Colors. Set the color, and give it a little orange color. The goal, to give a line effect from the background photo. Click on the sky photo. Then select Adjust. Reduce the brightness a little bit on the photo. And increase the shadow a little bit. Don't forget to add moon photo. Go to the sticker menu. Then type Moon Glow. Add a photo. Change the blend to screen. And move down. Then, click Check when finished. In the last step, I will add the effect of light reflection from the moon and sky. Click the Draw menu. And change the layer to Add. Change the opacity to 31%. Then click Color, and choose a color for the moon. Set the brush like this. And draw slowly to create reflections from the moonlight. Then select the eraser. Set the smoothness like this. And erase slowly. Then click the layer, and create a new empty layer. Change the layer to add mode. And set the opacity to 31%. Then choose a color around the sky, and draw like before. Now, here is the final result. You can also go to the Lightroom application, and make photos more interesting like this.